All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's word of the day. Lonely. 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 You're just lonely. Maybe even lonely like this. Lonely. Yep, lonely. Like that, lonely. To be alone. And no one or nothing else to be by your side. He was quite lonely. Yeah. Sometimes he feels lonely. She does not want to be lonely in life. Yeah. I often feel lonely, but I'm working and too busy to really let it impact me. Yeah. They aren't lonely. They are all together. Yeah. It can be lonely work. Yeah, so you have to have company. It can be lonely work, so you have to have company. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So they all feel lonely in their own way. These people all feel lonely in their own way. They need more connections and people to associate with. Yeah. How cool is that? She used to be lonely. Yeah, but now she has a large family. She is not lonely anymore. No. By being lonely, he's working on his mental strength. Yes. Sometimes loneliness can help you become stronger mentally. Yeah. How cool is that? She will be lonely for a long time to come. Yeah. He has been alone for years, yet he does not feel lonely. He has been alone for years, yet does not feel lonely. Yeah. He can do things while he is away, while he is alone, like write or work on a business. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. How cool is that? So, can you write lonely in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as on Udemy by searching for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.